welcome back to my channel. So today I have done three sort of upcycling and DIYs for items that I have just found around my house. So I thought I would give these items just a new lease of life and to show you how you can do some really lovely home decor bits for hardly any of the money, so you don't have to go out and buy a load of new stuff. But yeah, I just thought I would share with you how I get on. It's not going to be to everyone's taste, but I really hope that you enjoy what I do and if you enjoy how they all turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the three DIYs that I have done, and I'll see you in a bit. So the first item I'm going to upcycle is this cork board. Now I have had this for ages, but yeah, I also found I had some of these in kind of like my craft drawer, so I thought I'd go ahead and just spray paint it. I got these from eBay a little while ago and I was going to add them to some furniture, but I hadn't got around to doing that, so I thought, oh, this would look quite good on this cork board. I just think it gives it a nice finish. So I found some hessian that I wanted to put on here as well, so I'm just going to get my rotary cutter. So I'm just going to lay the hessian on the cork board because I want to kind of measure out the sort of shape and size of it. Obviously the shape's not going to change, but you know what I mean. And then I just went ahead and cut. So I kind of just wanted a little bit of an edge around the outside because I wanted the fabric to fray slightly, so I've just kind of pinned it in place to kind of get the idea, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint around the outside with some white chalk paint that I've got. I got this from Aldi actually, and I've used it in a couple of DIYs and it's been quite good, but I've completely got the wrong brush here, so I then found a better paintbrush, as you can see, whereas I think it would have taken me a little while. So I just went over the whole thing twice and waited for it to dry. And in the meantime, my spray paint had dried on my flowers, which worked out really well, so I'm super happy with how it turned out. I've also got these little wooden pegs because I want to attach these onto some twine, and I kind of want to just glue these into the corner. I did actually get a bit of paint on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and rub that off. Thankfully with chalk paint it comes off really easily. So I'm just simply going to hot glue all of the hessian onto the cork board. As always, please be careful when using a hot glue gun because I don't want you to burn your fingers. And then I'm just going to hot glue this onto here as well. So I kind of wanted to put it at the top because I thought it looked really pretty, and it kind of just gave it this whole shabby chic sort of look. Now onto the twine. So I've just got enough just to go from one end of the cork board to the other, and I'm just simply going to glue them into the corners. Make sure it's secure. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add the little wooden pegs. My friend actually gave these to me because she was going to use them in her wedding, but actually she decided she didn't need them, so she gave them to me. And that is the finished look. I think it looks so nice, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm just going to literally add a few photos to it. And I've got these really cute little Polaroids of the boys, which I think look really nice on here. And then I've just added a few more pictures of me and Jason and my family and some of my friends. So on to the next DIY. Now this is literally just an empty can of baked beans that I have washed and cleaned. I had some leftover lace from my craft drawer, and then obviously some hessian from when I did the corkboard, and obviously my thankful chalk paint. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint a layer of paint onto the tin can and wait for that to dry. So I'm just going to wait for that to dry, and I'm just literally going to touch up the ends just to kind of give it a nicer finish. So I'm going to get my hessian and I'm just going to measure it out onto the tin can. So I'm going to go ahead and just hot glue this down. And then I'm just going to simply wrap it all the way around the can and glue it again in place. So I just wanted to fold down the end as it was a little bit too long, and I kind of wanted to see the white chalk paint underneath. So once it's finished, it's now time to add the lace. So I'm literally just going to put this around and measure how much I need, and I just want to line it up with the bit of hessian that I've glued down as well. So I'm just going to cut that bit off and glue down the excess. So I'm going to get my trusty flowers that I'm sure you've seen in quite a few of my DIYs. So I'm just going to simply snip off 2 of the flowers and some of the leaves, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stick it onto the front. You can obviously leave it with just the lace if you wanted to, but you know me, I do like a bit of floral. And I'm just going to hold that in place until it's firmly stuck on there. And this is it finished. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really pretty. And I just think it's a really nice little storage solution. So I'm going to put some of my paintbrushes in there, and I'm just going to keep that on my craft table. I think it just dresses it up really nicely. Hi guys, so sorry, I just realised that I should have recorded this before, but I've already started painting. But basically I uploaded some of it onto my Instagram story, so I'll see if I can find the footage from there. But yeah, this is a set of drawers that I had that I'm now currently upcycling. They were sort of a clotted cream sort of colour, and I am currently painting them in the Farrow and Ball Cornforth white. Please excuse the size of the tin, I'm just using this up before I get some more.
So yeah, sorry about the missing footage to start with, but as you can see, I'm just upcycling these chest of drawers, and obviously I showed you in the paint. Because this has already got kind of like a primer onto it when I brought it, I am simply just painting straight onto it, so it doesn't need any kind of sanding, but I did give it a good clean beforehand, and then I've just gone ahead and painted straight on. Now I did want to change the handles, and I'd already got a load of these left over from a previous project of mine, so with the help of Jason, as you can see, my helpful assistant, he has helped me put the handles onto the chest of drawers, and I think it just makes a really nice change. And it's just amazing what a bit of colour and some new handles can do to a chest of drawers.
So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can join our little DIY family here. So that is everything for today, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!